The month that we are born can say a lot about who we were destined to be when we were born. Determining a person's character using the birth month is also a standard practice in numerology. Scientists and statisticians have found that birth months affect everything from chosen career to attitude. Your birth month can say a lot about your personality. Let's explore all the months. In the month January. People born in January are attractive, cheerful, and very calm. These people cannot share problems with others. These people believe in hard work. They are independent, analytic, and a born leader. Sometimes these people can overreact. In the month of February. People born in February are secretive, friendly, and innocent. These people are not good in financial matters and cannot save money. People born in February can win hearts of others by their language. These people don't have passion. These people are helpful in nature. They can help anyone at any time. In the month of March. People born in March love to travel and they have a large friend circle. These people are very creative. These people are very responsible. You can trust these people, they can complete any work. These people are very talkative. In the month of April. People born in April are very beautiful, cheerful, and stubborn. These people cannot work in pressure. These people like adventure. These people are curious in nature. These people are very daring and they are fearless. In the month of May. People born in May have good choice in clothes. These people are very famous. These people are careless and little psychopath. These people are very secretive. These people have very sharp mind. In the month of June. People born in June are every stubborn. These people are very dominating. These people love to cook. These people can compete any work by their sweet language. People think that you are very innocent but you are not really very innocent. In the month of July. People born in July are very moody and mysterious people. People cannot understand these people easily. Sometimes they behave like psycho. These people are very talented. Sometimes these people are very lazy and they cannot complete their work. In the month of August. People born in August are talkative and stubborn. These people hate lies and they are very helpful. These people are very expensive. These people are very responsible and they love to be alone. These people are very loyal and they cannot control anger. In the month of September. People born in September are not very mature. People born in September can learn and understand new things very easily. Sometimes these people behave selfish. They never tell their problem or secrets to others. These people are very lucky and hardworking. In the month of October. People born in October are very intelligent and money-minded. These people cannot get the wealth easily. These people have a unique attraction and they can attract anyone. These people can see future and they have a good intuition power. In the month of November. People born in November are very kind and have a good heart. These people can balance all the situations. These people can do anything when they are angry. These people are very sensitive and very loyal. These people are good in financial management and can save money. In the month of December. People born in December are very secretive and sensitive. These people have a large friend circle. These people always fight for justice. These people are very emotional and trust anyone easily. These people are very sincere about their career. These are scientifically proved. Scientists said that the child personality, characteristics decided in the womb, it is predicted according to the planet position. I think you have learned a lot through this video. Hit the like button if you find the content useful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Check out our other videos from the links in the description for more interesting mind-healing topics. Thank you for watching.